Again, continuation kay Jesus Roberto, no? Again, so here, malagi, no? Who are you to judge, no? Here you are, yeah? Muna na si Cho, no? Nindot mo laban na ako, no? So here, sugar na kayo na, no? Kafunction sa muscles. By which sakit di siya, but maayo yung brain, no? Again, so here's the muscles, yeah? This is our 9 treatment sessions. Tugin pa rin kamuta, no? Together with the support of their loved ones, yeah? There you are, no? At ipakita. Okay, lihok naman na yung kamot. By which here, kusog na ka nakalihok yang muscles, no? By which mo na, mulihok na ganyan pamag-ayo, by which no, start to recover nga faster, no? Muna siya pag-ilan, no? Nga, yung faster of recovery, no? Again, lili po na tumuha na kinanglan, yun mo, pasabto na itong patient, by which lagi, napon siya dito yung monitor, no? Yeah, para magtanaw sa iyang improvement. Again, days or 9 treatment sessions. Again, Sir Branson, no? I promise you, it's about nga, for the whole week, no? For the whole week. By which lagi here, no? We celebrate this coming January, no? In which Pope Francis coming in here. Viva Pit Senior, no? Again, Viva Pit Senior. So again, muna pinaka Mardi Gras, Mother of All Festival. Which, no? Again, thank you.